Motorbiker. Don't have my bike yet because I'm still doing my lessons. For now we'll just do a little bit of driving in the car in a town in the northeast of England, and there's also a race down today. So when I get closer to the racetrack we'll put the record back on and we'll see what people are wearing. Traffic in trains because of race day is bloody ridiculous. All the way down. Absolutely insane. We're moving slowly. Let's take a shortcut because I'm not waiting and all of that. Round and round and round we go. Slowly, slowly. Here's some fancy people going to the races, and look at the hats. Let's call them hats. A little bit of material strapped to the head. Ain't gonna keep no sun off nothing, then. And around we go. Skipped out the traffic. That's what you need. I don't think I've ever been in this town so busy. That's polite of them. Normally people just walk out without looking. Even the bloke's wearing a hat. At least that's a real hat though. Coaches everywhere. People love to watch the GGs going by. Beanie hat. Ladies' Day, and I thought it was all about the hats for the women. Seen two blokes wearing them so far. Don't like traffic. Trust me, we're working on Ladies' Day at the horses. Somebody broke the fence. Suitcases and stuff. Could make an old out of it. And my road finally opens up. Right, catch you in a bit. Got a pound lotto scratcher the other day and I won £2. So I kept the £1, that was money back, and I bought another one for £1 and I got £3. Yeah, not exactly anything to write home about, but anytime you're up, you're up. I think that about wraps up my first video. Not much to look at, I know, and it'll be much better when I'm on a bike. I might even upload the training that I'm doing. Maybe when I'm out doing my riding lessons, get them on here. At least gives people an idea of what to expect when they start themselves. Not sure if you're allowed to or not, but I might even record the tests that I'm on if I can maybe get a camera somewhere. Yeah. Anyway, anybody watching, hope you enjoyed it. Have a good day.